Hello gang, this is Carmen, and this is a 4-dog box that I got off the internet, off Facebook, from someone in Illinois. I'm in Atlanta, so I also paid to have it shipped down here. I really like this box. Unfortunately, I thought from the dimensions that were given to me that it could fit. I have German Shepherds, and the boxes are nice size, but unfortunately they're just not tall enough. So I need to sell this one and get another one. But you know, it has the stand here, the crank to lift it up or whatever, the chains. It does not have the light kit. I actually paid to get the light wiring installed, and unfortunately one of my puppies got a hold of it. I didn't see it and tore it up, so it does not have that. These open up for ventilation. These are the front 2 boxes. There is a storage area. This needs to just be nailed into the thing. This one is in there, and this one it came out, so it needs to be. So I'm using this to prop it up. But this is has got the, I'm just using this to prop it up. It has a spare tire, has a little storage basket here. I use the locks, but I'll show you that in a minute. But it has all the keys here for the lock for the storage compartment here. And you can put these in slots to close the doors off if you want to. But this will give you, these little hooks came with it to kind of give you some further security that the door doesn't just open up on its own or slide out of place. So that came with it. And that's one of my females that actually can fit in there, that jumped right in. She's about maybe 50 pounds, and it's comfortable for her, but my other dogs, it just isn't. So that's the box. I have to get the exact measurements. These are the 2 back ones. I did put and she's so comfortable coming in there, but that gives you kind of an idea of height. Stop. Unfortunately, it just isn't tall enough. I want them to be able to stand up in it. I mean, you know, comfortably without having to hunch over. I did put these horse stall mats in here because there were nails under here that were kind of cutting into my dogs, so I did put that in there. This is the other back stall. And again, this slides for ventilation. And then this is the 4th box. They kind of chewed into that a little bit. But if you have a smaller breed, you know, it's awesome. I absolutely love the concept of a dog trailer. It tows, you know, it rides very nice and smooth. I had no issues moving it, and I have a Honda Odyssey van, and it pulled just fine. So I'm really kind of bummed that it's just not tall enough. This was a dog box that was put onto this trailer, 5x8 trailer. So if you have any questions, my number is on the ad, and you can give me a call. But that's the side view of the box. But like I said, it towed really nice, really smooth. I don't even really feel it back there. So, okay, thanks for looking.